Previously on Ghetto Love.
Intim fa boni nigga no. Man a wo pa so ya. Obi jai no akoso agovetonic. Amanda T me. Amanda T nyabutre Amanda. Misrawo. Pressure na wo dey mama no pressure ni too much.
Yeah, that about 3 days ago no me discussing about Joseph Green. Eh? Yeah. Joseph Green be must woman. Joseph Awari will matter you.
Amanda na.
The last time I'm a buyer, and then 2 days, maybe Sam will sell what you're woman. And then he said no. Emma will be sans a wine and catch me. Ebo Amanda de me bois. My friend Amanda bear 3 days in here, so 2 days in here. On pick me call. What is going on? Can you talk to me? What is going on? And then of course, no, what is it? Look, Massa. If there is something going on that I need to know, Mr. Static, babe, no. Why is Amanda not picking up my calls? Listen, me bizarre question, just answer me. What is going on? I said, Amanda Akoka. I didn't think Amanda, my friend, I offer. Would you answer me? Listen, I'm not joking. What has my make her or no? If there is something that you have done. Hello? Hello? What can you be?
Joan can't you say what warrior?
Hello. Babe. Hello, babe. Babe, open up for me, babe. Hello, babe. Famille. Hello, babe. Babe. Babe, open up for me, babe. Babe. Yeah, I feel I'm equal. Listen, because I'm about no school.
Okay.
We can mean check that. Why? Take care. Hello.
Famille. Madam. Bruh. When was the last time Amanda brought her?
Amanda. Madam Amanda dear Obahache. Obahache.
Obafi hache.
Obahache.
Me nkwa adwuma ma wo me si mechi.
Debi. Obahache. Madam Clara me say me no nkomo kra say me no di. I think I need to declare something. I said me clear bibi chiro. Madam, na say no me nim mo fia nkofo bitimi ba strange people. Me nim omo.
Omo hwehwe ho.
Omo ba omo hwehwe boss. Mo ba mo din ka ba first one. Me ko hu so mo jira bontin. Na me ba ka che boss. Kofo bi show. Madam, you tell me na nkofo ni gina inside.
Omo be ref dem.
Omo wure ha. Na me ko agime sa agime nan.
Enti dada na we won framing kan che me.
Madam won say okasa always be how we busy. Na asa na bebe wani mu obedi nkomo no bibi.
Bibi te say.
Something strange.
Do I look strange?
I say enye eze se mebe wani mu obedi nkomo sa age afra bibi so.
Chai de wo keka no. Me no na tifi ha. Enti nke te ha na se nka bibi esi a. Enye me no mienu na ye ho beka. It is a baby cost to ness a woman who be beer. Why don't you even draw my attention?
Madam, make us say, Ahoma Kulanam Biaso.
Anyway, your number is saying, moving, Madame, would be bar, I be fast anymore. Madam, meet me, my tongue, Sancho. And I guess I can't say. No, I see a much of myself, Willem, the next day. Myself, Willem, some cofona, Willem. And no one can say, not Joseph, no way. Madam, I will feel. Nina ya ofie a ohun
omo ni di nkomo
na cheso ni mu microphone
I think so
nkomo be sa na ya omudi
nkomo no ase omo nkomo na koye ebebuom ombebi omo kasa na koye ebebuom ha sala ni bi and the last one kwa the touch 3 madam emimre be one say 12 na me say me besia koda Madam, me bru amu say, where you boss? It's how where you call, and I do bear to na boss there by this time there.
Oh, yeah, there,
Madam, oh, yeah, there. Timmy drama, me too, who say, Amanda, you have to Amanda. Missing about them telling you about 10 about 3.
Uti dini, yes, Amanda.
Say Amanda. Aye, Amanda.
Oh, any be on today. Or soon, on your portrait for day.
And no, Sinu Madam, and my Jimmy and Tanta course. Minima Amanda Crow. No commodian so Amanda Naputre, mammy. Naputre.
Utini ye.
Yes, they say Naputre.
Amanda
Naputre.
Yes, sure.
Madam, I can't lie.
And then you know to.
In Madam, or course, me am so your call. And I do bear 12 1. Ah, what that? No better how you call.
Ore mate, ore. Anointing I'm from to the mate. And go to Mako.
It's very strange.
But you should have told me.
Madam was it? One can say, Umbefiantem. And now, say young Kumobi and Madame Oberfrem so any me, dear Befa, Sa Mina advantage no don't come. Madam, it's me no one don't come, sir.
Matthias, ore mate.
To meet me, and I hope everything is okay. Everything is clear. Can I offer you some juice?
If I may, and then many mood the name cry for what grown.
If anything, you can told me I'm there helping this house.
Why when I meet me there, boy?
Say me and I'm not there. It's Madam
Mate. Okay.
Hey. And the French gangster back too. Now they had your money on her. Oh, Tony, man, I mean, me run inside. I mean, me and mama.
Amanda, Tiana, we understand. Amanda, Tiana, we understand.
Then I'm here.
Are they?
Then I may.
I don't know go catch you free masema. Me worry. Huh?
Unya hwe. Unya hwe. Afa na mbehu di na kase. Afa na obehu di e che so sa. E fi holo me de ko se ko pesi kabra na yemfa mo ebra. O ko ha ko kache say o gangster o na onim nyansa wa ko hu adodo de fresh thing so una person will enjoy life na wo jam me get to ha. Me am ye adwuma ne to na so no wo pese wo jam me wa ha. Onu mama ne warning so on twe ne hu free. So wan twe ne hu am free one we say that's obewu. Eja no anato no so bewu eja. Say so me no nyam bewu dia. De eba so de wo nyam hu hwe o.
Amanda, get be na woman get no. If woman e frefre get ne say me ma wo nkola tere. Amanda, me ma wo.
Get ben. Get ben obi o get on woni madwen wonti menyisu na adwen da. Wona wo ye gangster na wakọ no wonti menyisu adwen amasa. Me ma adwen mu do. Ma adwen mu do papa. Nti ene calls na afena mo be receive na kase. Na kase afena mo be receive na kase.
Amanda, sisi dia na upasa menye.
Afena wo kasa.
Dia na Amanda upasa menye.
Afena wo kasa. Now listen. What I want you to do is I feel no me na me de wo call because of sika. Sisi apam no tram no. Sika no. Me mpebie. I need my man back. I need you back here in the ghetto. It's in Pachoko. Na ko sa nyoma. Na sa bet na ha. Me mpe sika ni biem. And I'm a catcher.
You need me back.
Yes.
Nati.
Cause sa onyoma bra, wo da wo kọ no sa kwaye nkwasasem. Ne ko fa ho adwene be gangster shit wa ha say. Ka bete. Concert wo akwaye ade akogina akwaye concert kwaye John Live. Wo da wo kọ no sa ko fa ho adwene. Foolish boy.
Amanda, wait a mister. And yet me be ye kasa tintin bia. Sama yo bibi o nyane me fa che me wate. I mean say nye na me ba bi hu. Ye dia krenye nne. Na ma yo bibi watimi ahwe me call him for 2 good weeks. Also won't pick me call. But even my yo sister. E dia na wo nua metimi aye wa wontimi fa nche me. Ma yo bibi na anase bi me kase bi na me kan ye anani ye bi na me ye na ma anye ni ya sister. I am telling you that I'm sorry.
Oh, me, I'm fine. Oh. You've done nothing. I am because I'm nice. I'm very busy, Kaka.
Amanda, I know you don't talk like that.
How will you say that?
I know you don't do that. You are busy. You are busy to answer my calls.
I didn't say that. My busy, me running errands. Yeah, busy.
And even that aside, okay, I say, maybe I can't cry, Miss Affery. Who say, catch me say, Joseph. To me for say, oh, you're name man, I mention me honey, I didn't. Okay, say, to me for me cry, me sign it, chifa, so near daddy. Could you believe, say, me will fear? Joseph no cry no ho. Me will fear menya call. Why am I? Into one Jimmy Kuno. One woman so your banny be. One Jimmy Kuno, and my mummy and sa, would me chibe my bosso, and I'm in near Bunyan Abe, my sister. Joseph Chinaho. Edge call me hello, bara. Emma me bisa papa ye bisa no one and fin. Can I no two must say any no credit. Sister, Mr. Amanda, sometimes what they funny some sooner. A foot will be when I was with the mommy saying me. Sister, I'm open. Tell me, please. Would they woman catch me? Because they are causing for the past almost a week, I am not okay. Please. I am not okay.
This is actually the reason why I'm not feel. Because me feel say, send a minute as a good friend. Baby, I'm not free how long we've been together. Na Matthias, same na me can't say natural now what for me. So I realize okay, I will share a man to know if where both of us are coming from. Tim na me who say you want to choose him over me. Me Matthias say me per was him to my bahana my catch up. My back can't say natural man who wants simple so when your course was be ye and a man until what for me so. Anyway, sanity. Miss Anna Metzeno, I saw a year old mammy and son on walking town post and he for baby. See me tell you, and I'm saying, I remember to hunt you first. The man in free will feel. And it's a me buy also to tell what dream.
Hey, say Joseph to me when you're me and pa can I no tomb. Ebe da me nkyɛn me da di meduane sɛ di meduane ma de echi ma me hwɛ bra yi hwɛ na busuafo nyina ka ho na so di we di me a na nya me betu akwa ne ka wo na nya me betu ne ka wo
na wo be
me so timo dey sir
na be hu me ma so ban ma de say ade omo ye normal. Anyway, so what do you intend doing?
Sister, me name de me How can a person like me fall for such? I don't get it.
I don't actually know if you still need advice from me.
I need it. Why would I come here? Why would I come? I say maybe there was sister.
Maybe Samia. Asama make a chair and say right away. We do fear. Man, I'm packing the man on Sunday. Man, feel hongo. Because we want to say you papa be. The bar feels. And poor worry upon a give you buy or prepare was a man. Like he has more time. I was saying, "Oh, can't see winning anything." Actually, cause to me free baby, no copy baby, maybe a penny panasem. But when to me and come actually or they are security there. It means when you need papa.
Into me,
I would advise you say, "Oh, do fear ya, man. This is an area. You have your free buy and one sample." That's the only thing I could advise you. Nano, what's also doing? On canocre. One call.
I mean, at the end of the day, no worry there. Oh, Jeden, like
exactly. Or Jeden, what's your soldier? Well, I was one for Papa and my Japanese ancient sir.
Amanda, what I no cry there. Some mistakes, people, why am I here? But I don't know.
Forget about it. You just can ask him out of your house. That's the only thing I can tell you. I was doing something. I wanted to meet someone. So I'll talk to you later.
Sister, I'll come back. Me friend wafa wadaroma. Amanda, unim said ya young professor. Uye me nua prekope. What you say? Boni bimpo na me ya unua ne me Fremane bo ha we ya me pe ne atwa so ne akeke adwanche yonko ne ko. Emfa bibia nhye wo mu se na be ma betima betete me no ntem.
Oh, me de bibia nhye me no, bibia nhye me no, bibia nhye me. I was just
my tinti me from. Why?
Is that me kita hwe na me ya dance.
Freeman. Don't let me over there with your more, sir. Right side. Freeman. Sorry. Sorry, me and inside. Oh, my God, you sir. Huh? Sorry, me and inside.
Listen. No me train side in Pugachina Minokasa. Ma told me boss your dream home. And now they are meeting me what in a view. Maybe my kum, the Akumapa, any shell. But me, I'm a said in American. Mean and I want to view. I was even waiting inside the Vietnam with this uncle. I decided to spend only God knows how long with you. But how I near American. And ya dear, waiting me to us with you. Tito na ya your fancy here.
Frima. She, I'm in Simbencho. Go now, frail sea fonso. Se me na wo mienu me nsa me hwe nkora na medwane abetana wo nyina. Frima again wo boa wo. Enye no kure enye turu. Me minim baby ansem di Frima. Ya Amanda. Ana ma again yesa. Frima me adwen bone ni me tirimu ma wo. Me hu no me lifestyle change. That's some shebre bibri. Be can't seem be true. And the crew was seeing him and I make it true. Frima, Amanda, I'm a girlfriend.
What do you mean by that?
Frima, Amanda, I'm a girlfriend, I'm an entity. So when I'm Amanda and me fear.
Of course, Amanda and do be here. Now, or your girlfriend, no? I can't say.
I'm a girlfriend, I'm an entity, not the me fear. Amanda catch me send her down for me. Never I'm an entity, Papa Whisker. Only guy or entity. The memra. I'm pretending. Semi-do. Let me know, Metra. Yenjiji we japadi ni usika. Frima, me buy no. In fact, Papa ya wo jame no. Empoche mi nyaba. Utua me fees. O do me. Frima mi ntimi fa boni ndi wo. Mi ntimi nya boni. Anya pamo a wo pamo me na ye me ya. E mo Frima me ka che o se. O yonko Amanda no hweniye.
Inti Amanda catch me say wa worry inti na wo fa kwan bi so pese egu na animal say na say de.
So no be ka che o se me ma worry. Enu nti na me ka che o se girl na wo frɛ ya o sisi na Amanda the man frɛ. Enya no kore. Frima. Amanda yi. But anya pamo a wo pamo me mom ena ye me ya. Me sa wo jonko ane na dia groate. Me ka wa simbi. E brebi ama miska me ka cho se me ya okay no. Onim juma Amanda didi me. Amanda di me juma ne me ko. Sa dinti no bia ye magigi wunye no. Na wo wa ma miska na manje. I'm saying, Amanda, into me for bonnet in the Frima. So, Becca.
Na some men me catch Amanda say me mauska wonji.
Till your day and I me, so we'll catch Amanda na minio. She yonkui. Amanda nye yonkua. Sisa onini tu anamo. Waka sa ona mentina bi mamate. Dokure wom ana maka achro no. Oye ni papa mentimi fa boni ni Frima. 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 Medasi. Yami show. Aboa me go kwan be praise. Adohene papa wo dia yemi. From reaching tram when you Yami show. I dear. Frima. Me dopa. O don't mean paper and Frima come on da. E pia be kopia Frima. Me do. Nemum Amanda. Sheniye papa. So ye Amanda. Amanda nyo ba no domi. Senka Amanda domia. Anaso baby no do bema. Ora ka chene so. Adene man yonko ba. Amanda ompeme. Frima. So soon can you maintain a beamer? What? Medasi. Yamisha. Maybe I could be a. Can't I say? Medo. Medasi. I love you.
Oh, God. But you had an amazing son. Listen, I don't think bad of anyone. I dream beyond my dream, Bonnet. I do, like, virtually, I don't even hurt anyone. I don't know, but why would you want to hurt me?
Frima, mention your bonnet. Fortunately, I'm so sorry.
I just...
Frima. Frima. Frima.
Just,
Frima. You okay? Huh? Frima, who you okay?
I suspect something. Except for the past 1 week, morning sickness really had a day. Me tea, me da, me fair.
Frima, I'm so sorry. So, there's a beer from a bonnet, Sammy. So.
I'm even confused. I'm confused.
Remember, dog.
I love you too, but I am confused.
Freeman, don't be confused.
Adjourn.
Chemi and me hoye. Chinanswe.
Maybe bisa wasam. Na no krebi won't be ampesa o kacheme.
Okay.
Israel. You know it's nice having you upon it.
Yeah, Tabby.
I've been very good to you.
Yes.
And he said the assembly piano. Take me as your sister. As I always say, be truthful to me. Uni Mamanda.
Yes, Mini Mamanda. I've seen her around. She used to be in a relationship with my brother, Joseph. But then the last time I asked him, he said they are no longer together. So, yeah, that's my brother's ex-girlfriend.
You know Amanda?
I know her. I know her very well.
How does she look?
She's dark. She's thick. Yeah.
Wow. Wow. They used to be in a relationship. Wow. Wow, okay. Thank you very much. I'll call you I'll call you if anything. That's why I made you come here. I wanted to find out this from you. So
Is
thank you for
everything okay?
Yeah, everything is fine. Thank you so much for being truthful.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll see you.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
In fact, Amanda surprises me too much. The kind of relationship we had. We were almost like sisters. Say Pia Bontain, say Yemina may be Manwaka to be semi mania. And I say Madame Fokeka, they wouldn't even know the difference. Obia mitimini wotina say, what I buy for myself, I buy for you. Everything you need, I give you. My dad, oh Lord, may his soul rest in peace. My dad could even advise me. Say, for Madame Fotina say, for Unia Tina say, dear no person in a brabway, in peace kamano. Timiko Cruz caname the amount. Amanda, what do you want to do with your life? And after all these years, I'm in near Monday Diakro. I don't even know where she stays. Okasa Amanda mfonko fia. No the wolf namha, no do namha, oh, me ko baby, oh, my friend, oh, me yes say, oh. Why me though? Why do this to me? Why? Me of all people. Speak of the devil.
Bema.
Yeah, Amanda.
Akwano je wana hapo mwana.
Oh, cool. So my man ko.
Sha nya wari pen wa wari o.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Wani mama kuma ko fo na outside marriage, you know, different.
A ma four.
In Canada, ma fo na sawo different.
Hey.
We will match. Last one if I don't know will match away.
Yes,
I'm a payan or be catch me.
and yeah, now we have some information.
Yeah, and I'm saying my phone control. Shit. Don't come on, can you?
Let's say the money can go 10.
A book cry. Hey.
Hey. Sir?
Hey, and I'm a bit dear than the music of Frewachi.
Matty, Rooney.
I told you that you remember Mr. Wife.
Matty.
How are you, bye?
Matty, okay, I'm so sad. Bye. I don't even know what to believe anymore. Yes, wow, 3, wow, 2, wow, 4, wow, 1. Only math 3 was a 4 now.
Shriba, Binyana Kure. This is Shamanda here. What?
And why didn't you said you can't be soon? My JD. I will still have to make my own investigations. Because now, as it stands, I don't even know if I have to trust you. I don't trust Amanda, I don't trust you. I don't know.
Trust me.
What do you mean I should trust you?
Trust me.
What do you mean by trust me? Why should I trust you? Have you given me a reason to trust you?
It's not true.
Love is a beautiful thing.
Purchase your tracks today.
Mama, Papa, come listen one story that I have for you. I met one beautiful lady when I went to bank to get money for you. She too fine.
I told you. I told you. It's positive.
Yes.
I'm pregnant.
Hello. Wow. That's nice.
Of course, there's 6 weeks.
That's nice. Hey.
Yeah.
It's
very good. Oh my.
But they never took that a joke.
That's how you're right.
Oh, you're bad, you are. That's nice.
I'm tired. Yeah. You're quite excited.
I'm quite excited.
You're a daddy.
Yes. You see, Charlie, and you may be CPR. Miss,
Man. You know, in everything, right from the beginning, you knew I trusted you, right?
Yes.
When you said I loved you and trusted you so well. And they see you, and I told you, I wasn't going to take your word for it. I made an investigation. I asked, maybe someone you get it. Then you need to call up the son. And she also confirmed, how many Amanda called out? It's a baby, Miss Rowe. Let's make this as a new chapter in our lives. Like, I do not want this whole whatever to happen again. I'm begging you. And not even in my condition. Miss Rowe.
I'm sure, sir, yes, and you have been disciplined. Now, Odona me woman, so Odona. The trust of the
And don't let me lose the trust again.
Trust me. Trust you.
I trust you.
Trust me.
Love is a beautiful thing. It can never be seen, but you can feel it within. Yeah. It's a natural thing. The boss of sweet, sweet love is forcing me to sing. Girl, I'm trying to sing. I'm fighting to win your heart, I'm dying. What is happening to me, baby? Girl, you mean a lot to me. I will take you overseas. So tell me how your knees. Girl, I'm trying to sing. I'm fighting to win your heart, I'm dying.
No.
Please have a seat.
Sorry, sure.
Madam. Pacho, when you're home.
Hi. Hi. I don't know what that. Hey. Yeah. Sorry. We don't watch it. Yes, sir. So, I'm there. You can't see my fan on me, sure. Wow, for crash. So, they've been about feeling my friend, and I know I have a problem. Oh, no. How can it be a problem? Said you see anything about behind my show up. To be an advisor with the woman, I'll see you soon. About Joseph. Do you know Pamono? I want to say Bravin to me on to and then he left? Oh. So then I'm away into no way, I'm so adorable. Minty many of you come, men general, so your belly will be a mere, will be dear man, you to Miss Rowe. No, correct. It's just like that. Oh, I'll come back 4 days in April. Wow. 4 days, yeah. Wow. Yeah. You said, I'm going to time, baby. No entry move. This I can't shut down feel so.
Oh. Oh, to be so set me no daisica. I guess we're behind an animal contract. We don't contract, I mean, warrior.
Wow.
I'm telling you there. Me and I know what kind of see me.
Oh. Because me try say me friend, but my friend won't.
Oh, try say a friend. I do be a good.
Now, because my be do I said, come with me friend did nothing. Oh, come here, friend, about bomb my German, the Cronon class, more be do I have such a thing. Cause me, I'm the neighbor. I'm a big dance, Krumu say. And you're nice. And you're there, sir. No, you pay the old man, no, I cannot cry. And the panel say, you're the petrol crown. I say, well, for and I be, and I will be who say, I manage you. No, that's not how you ding. He says, I'm a minimum and your son, it's here. Oh, maybe I'm not friend, I can't cause much and bow and fire or fire and call Betsy. No, Bibi aboko kwa bibi aboko de.
Actually, sa bibi aboko.
Eja na nse ba isa mo no de obi bibi ato ana wosu. Wo she hesu nam se me mbehwe.
Me okay.
We sure.
Me okay.
When ko the issues be be say me no ntem kwa. Me no father for since enye be say ntem kwa. I'm so sorry for how I treated you the last time you came to me. I mean, when I say me no would income, me can't send chair. I won't fat. See, I'm saying, "Major, I'm all life, but still, now, I still remember the promise I made your father, and then you are still my best friend. So, means me your whole shit. Find a place in your heart and forgive me, and I've forgiven you too. Are you sure you're fine? That's why you can't be.
No, I'm just processing everything. It's been from Aaron to Joseph. It's my dad. It's been too many things. Yeah, until I mean, I think so. What Buffy? Just call me because I'll be doing more of traveling. I just want to go and ease some tension. I've been going through too much. Oh yes, until I'll be doing more vacation these days. It feels a change of environment in a bit more.
You're bad. You need it. You need to rest and assess your mind. Come back again.
Right.
Kafrati. Tinya umema hunkwa.
Everyone.
Yeah, me bombo dia fima. Pekama for. What's it? No, that's what I mean.
Until your baby, I would just make sure I'm home first. Just text me or call me. Why?
I'll go to console. No, I catch you.
No problem.
Take care. Bye.
Do same.
I'll see you later.
Okay. Wait a minute, me koja wadarama.
So
I why?
Bye.
Bye. Family. Bra. Go ahead and lock it.
Charlie, bra, na sema za.
Yeah, Amanda. Alive.
Charlie, say me call uni ho, pa ho.
Egusi say.
Oh, Charlie, say me call no. The madam for no shame me la me o and say me feel say me chigu ho.
Who feel say what chigu say?
Because I say me drew ho na me ne kasa na say oh shame me star be I say we obi ya chill like bisa. Uni am feel say me chigu cause any again the man ne dey. Catch him so obetutu kwan bi ni ade ade member feel ha me friend and sakwa na member feel on like you.
Na cheze akwaroda so fie wa na eze wo hwe sis na.
Debi feel dem nyesho so but me feel say akwa no feel on say that so can be chere again. So dem can also say cause adam for na me nim no nya say no react. Me feel say o can be chere again. Ama girl no so as o ya hwe me tutu bi. Cause say no share me like party. If you say chere na ho sa
Amanda, like you said, them see who no man. Who you say, I can't say any siblings can what time be get the baby ko. In Lamagana is that.
Hey, bet me possible.
And I'll go pay baby. I did that.
Bet me possible because girl name me didn't come on. See as what kind and boy and say what say na. I say what in talk you oko. I don't know. Chance Musa. I don't know. On far baby, I'm not sure. Charlie, bet me possible. But you say what free home so uncle. On my ghetto. Go ghetto.
Ghetto the aqua the benyas or so besaba ghetto abio. Tell them me missing on who's what time be what a crew be called. Sana mi hono.
Hey.
I'm an
Harry Pan.
Young Hundia. Because he dear grabby or dear second be there. Yeah. Yes, you can baby be or be as yellow.
Hey.
Can I make us a way bad and straight? You both are near finishing and near finishing and be out to a job. Because I want down for. Now, what are you for back?
For because I say, yeah, they get to info the measures of the back. Again, I was all I am to get on to some munkaka. I am to chain, I made just as an Abama swation because Yannicasani de Phyllis but I'll see I find out.
You ain't me my watching goes. I can't be the first way by Shakwan near who dear Kwana, be boom again to him, near dear call.
See again if you run to me. Oh, see, I'll see me Buffy Hardis and my friend answer being like you were to quine dinner.
Oh, I don't know, Sasso. Oh, my friend answer.
Me feel so bois, me feel say be beating on money, Cassana, me, my dream, me. I asked her, mamma.
Samanda, you dear. You dear, because you're transy, these are Massa. No more be fires.
Charlie, oh, the only baby. Mammy, goofy not. Rest the captain.
Rasty Nene has no be found with you. Come so you have lady cocoa. All right. Don't you, Amanda.
I remember, baby.
All right. Joseph. But be our country in the hot room.
Stop the bumbo clock and pull the gun. Kill the poverty like militant. Get the moolah like you eat the bank. Me never blow money in Decepticons. The money.
Next on Ghetto Love.
Bema de usiswa. The more now we no go anymore. So now can you be a take up a seven one?
But when you be on
Maybe.
oh,
Or TikTok.
Joseph, that's what they are doing. Well, Jason, and they just saying 2 years later. 2 years later.
2 years, now 2 years, now my word. I see who I taking it to see her.
Now, that stupid boy, no, I feel him. Abba.
Stupid boy.
I mean, Joseph, of course. Oh. Because somebody here, that's why he's stupid.
Right.
Joseph.
I drugs wild one day. Tell me knows that the fierce light in a Ghana. Me I link up with some girl them. She a change my life and spec it up for me. Me can't make the girl them move out of my life, you know. We are good here and well love. You see me? Almighty Adonai inspiration.